Hey there, health enthusiasts. Did you know that some of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth can be grown right on your kitchen counter? They're called sprouts, tiny but mighty plants that pack a powerful punch for your health. Sprouts are seeds that have just started to grow and are harvested only a few days after germination. Here's why they're so powerful. Sprouts are rich in enzymes that aid digestion, packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, A, K, iron, and magnesium. They're high in antioxidants that help fight inflammation, support gut health with prebiotic fiber, boost energy, and are easier to digest than mature vegetables. Plus, they're cost-effective and ready to harvest in as little as 3 to 7 days. Growing sprouts is incredibly easy and doesn't require any fancy equipment. Here's a simple method you can use at home. Start with organic sprouting seeds. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of seeds to a wide-mouth mason jar. Cover the seeds with water and let them soak for 6 to 12 hours. After soaking, drain the water and rinse the seeds thoroughly. Prop the jar upside down at an angle to allow any excess water to drain. Rinse and drain your sprouts twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Keep the jar in a cool, dark place during the sprouting process. In just a few days, your sprouts will grow 1 to 3 inches and develop tiny green leaves. Once they reach this stage, give them a final rinse and store them in the fridge for up to a week. Now let's look at the top 10 sprouts you can grow at home. Lentil sprouts, earthy, high in protein and fiber, perfect for soups and wraps. Fenugreek sprouts, spicy and slightly sweet, known to support digestion and blood sugar. Mung bean sprouts, mild and crunchy, packed with vitamin C and potassium. Broccoli sprouts, rich in sulforaphane, a compound known for its cancer-fighting properties. Radish sprouts, spicy and peppery, great for detox and sinus support. Sunflower sprouts, nutty and crunchy, full of vitamin E and chlorophyll. Alfalfa sprouts, a classic choice, mild flavor, high in phytoestrogens and vitamin K. Clover sprouts, sweet and mild, rich in antioxidants and isoflavones. Pea shoots, fresh and sweet, loaded with folate and vitamins A and C. Chickpea sprouts, dense and buttery, ideal for raw hummus, full of iron and protein. Here are a few quick tips to make sprouting even easier. Always use organic sprouting grade seeds. Keep your jars clean and well drained to prevent mold. Once sprouted, store them in the fridge in a breathable container lined with a paper towel to keep them fresh. You can use sprouts in salads, wraps, sandwiches, smoothies, stir-fries, and even as a crunchy topping on soups or avocado toast. Sprouting is one of the simplest ways to boost your nutrition, save money, and enjoy fresh food at home all year round. Try it yourself, your body will thank you.